Okay, thanks, Tina. What else we got? Oh, you're still there. Council engagements or August conference opportunities and appointment Tutemohuta Reserve Trust Committee.
Well, just a couple of changes to the engagement. The emergency committee meeting's been cancelled. Postponed. Yeah. And there's an additional meeting on Tuesday the 22nd, 1:30 to 3:30 workshop regarding building site options. It's the second of the workshops that we started last week.
Cool. Are we in those? Okay, and we need a replacement for Tutemohuta.
Correct.
I'd like to nominate Councillor Rankin.
I accept.
You accept? Good. Okay. Councillors happy with that?
Oh, Your Worship, I was going to say this before, happy to come and support Councillor Rankin, that Reserve Trust, if you need some additional support.
Thank you.
Very good. Okay, and I'd just like to acknowledge Councillor Hickling's long service on that committee. How many years, Barry?
Too many.
Obviously, the formation of the hall down there, the development of the grounds, the Waitanui community has benefited from Councillor Hickling's expertise on that area, especially in his specialist field of parks and reserves. So thank you, Councillor Hickling, for your hard work on that committee, and I'm sure Councillor Rankin will take over the mantle. And if there's any information you can pass to Councillor Rankin. I sit on the ex officio, so I'm happy to guide you down to Waitanui. And carry on the good work. But can I just say that Tutemohuta Hall has just unbelievably been used for whatever, line dancing, flax making, what else, Dylan? Heaps of stuff, but it's great to see that facility really getting used. So cool. All right. So recommendation that receive the information with those amended dates, and Councillor Rankin be appointed to Tutemohuta. Could I have a move, please? Moved by Councillor Park, seconded by Councillor Williamson. All those in favour, please say aye. Aye. Against? Carried.